Well, good day everybody. It's Dr. Ray back in the garden. I'm taking a long view here. I'm at the trial gardens at the University of Georgia. And one of the plants that people really seem to love are the kind of tree form or shrub form of hardy hibiscus. Sometimes called rose of Sharon, Korean rose. This is Hibiscus syriacus. Now it's almost August and most of these flowers are finished, but this particular one called Little Kim is, gosh, it's at least 10 feet tall, but it's still full of buds, and this will continue flowering for weeks and weeks, and even the fruit will be handsome. So yep, hardy hibiscus, but the woody forms, and certainly a terrific plant to give it a go. Easy to grow, tough. Enjoy. Come see me in beautiful Athens, Georgia, and we'll take a look together.